It's bales of paper like this that are the problem. Dirty, damaged, degraded. In February, the region's largest recycling sorting facility, Republic Services, ended up with 2,000 tons of it. It's all because of the China National Sword, new restrictions that make it virtually impossible for the U.S. to ship its recycling to its #1 customer, China. In Soto, it's caused piles of paper to stack up.
We had a significant slowdown in movement, right? The availability of the containers. The material sat outside for an extended period of time.
According to Pete Keller, VP of Recycling for Republic, the paper got wet.
They were degraded to the point where we couldn't find an end market, right? At any price, at any cost.
The concerns were mounting. The stack could fall on staff or light on fire. So Republic Services made a request from 24 municipalities for the unthinkable, something they never wanted to do, to put this paper in a landfill.
And just had to get it out of here for operational purposes, for safety purposes.
King County and Seattle said no, but 22 others said yes. Despite being told not to landfill the paper, this winter Republic sent it to their private landfill in South Central Washington, going against county code.
Anything that came from our partner cities should not have gone to their landfill.
According to the law, if a company wants to landfill recycling collected in King County, they need to dispose of it in King County, and they can only do that with King County's permission, no matter what 22 other cities said.
I had to do it.
Months went by before King County found out. In May, the director of solid waste even addressed the county council about the impacts of the China Sword, telling the council no recycling from King County had been landfilled. At the time, they didn't know what Republic had done. By June 1st, King County was aware, sending a letter to Republic condemning the move.
This is a new situation for all of us, and we're still trying to work through how we should be handling this.
Republic is standing by its decision, adamant that landfilling the paper was their only choice, and if they're fined for it, so be it.
Not going to put our people at risk, not going to put our assets at risk. Just can't do it. And we'll deal with the consequences on the backside of that.
Republic hopes the days of landfilling recycling are behind them. But in this unstable market, they're not ruling it out. King County's position on the issue remains steadfast.
We're working to not let it happen again.
So how could this happen?